Welcome and thank you for checking out our video as we go over the characteristics and benefits of the TG Tire Guider GF04 Golf Cart Tire. If you own a golf cart, it's important to have the right tires that can handle the environments you'll be driving in, whether that's on a golf course, asphalt, pavement, or even hard-packed dirt roads. To enjoy your golf cart and to ensure that it operates smoothly and safely, it's important to learn about and invest in the proper tires for your vehicle. The TG Tire Guider GF04 is a budget-friendly, low-profile style turf and street tire for golf carts. This is what you'll find on carts that spend the majority of their time on the golf course or hard surfaces. The tire features a pretty straightforward tread design that is reminiscent to what you'd find on a car tire. The flat design and tread of the GF04 tire won't damage the grass on the golf course like more aggressive off-road style tires would. Therefore, they are perfectly acceptable for golf enthusiasts. Aside from being golf course friendly, the turf street-style tread design on this tire provides an extremely smooth and quiet ride. The wide contact patch means the tire delivers continuous grip and responsive steering when on the street or hard flat surfaces. Siping runs from one side of the tire to the other to allow for water to move out the sides of the tire, while the siping down the center tread enables water to disperse through the tread block channels and out the side sipes. This aids in the ability for the rubber to always be in contact with the road, even in wet conditions, or when rolling through shallow standing water. The tread blocks on this tire have the ability to slightly shift and twist when cornering, braking, or running at high speeds to ensure continuous traction and safety. Speaking of speed, the flat design of the Tire Guider GF04 tire means less rolling resistance, making the tire extremely efficient. This also means golf carts can quickly get to and remain at speed with ease. The TG Tire Guider GF04 is comprised of 4 plies, making it lighter compared to most all-terrain golf cart tires. However, even though it has a 4-ply construction, with the lower sidewall, the tire is extremely durable and fully capable of taking on the load and driving characteristics of a golf cart. The low-profile sidewall allows users to showcase more of their custom wheels while delivering a sturdy and more grounded feel. Additionally, the combined structure of the sidewall and the tread design equate to excellent wheel control and response. The GF04 comes in various sizes to fit 10-inch to 14-inch wheels. Although it's available for the larger 14-inch wheels, this tire isn't good for lifted carts that tend to spend a lot of time in tough off-road, muddy, or slippery terrain. It's designed to excel on turf, asphalt, and cement. To sum it all up, the TG Tire Guider GF04 Golf Cart Tire is a low-profile style tire that provides a smooth and quiet ride and has great tread life at an affordable price. If you're in need of a sturdy and reliable tire to get you around the golf course or down the street, look no further than the TG Tire Guider GF04 Golf Cart Tire. As always, thank you for watching and drive safe.